Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be a quick sales post video, and yeah, let's get right into it. And if you're interested in any of these, email me at dailydoseoffidgets@gmail.com. And yeah, here's the first one, the titanium top D. This was sent by the previous owner. It's got this like raw titanium look to it. So yeah, titanium top D. Amazing. You can still see the blue accents it had from before. Yeah, works perfectly fine. Here's the condition. Mint. And then we got the combo form moon coin, the Astro Coin. Also a mint. Not a single thing wrong with it. Amazing details. So yeah, that's that. And then we got the Berserk S Nano from Antisign. These are sold out on their site. They're pretty good, yeah. That's that. And then we got the ACEDC Nano Milk Cap, I believe it's called. Can be loud or quiet with it. Mint condition. It's got the box and stuff like that with it too. So yeah, all of these have boxes with them. So yeah, again, if you guys are interested, email me at dailydoseoffidgets@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, that's all, and see you guys in the next one.